Hey everybody, it's John, and today I want to talk to you about a way that you can make $50 to $100 a day or more online very easily. So as we go through this, I'm going to show you a couple different ways that you can do it. There's an easy way and there's a hard way, or harder way. But either way will work. And we're going to be talking about using email for affiliate sales. And you can do this by selling products through any affiliate platform. ClickBank is a huge one that works great for this type of thing. But also there's, lots of others. JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ShareASale, Commission Junction, a ton of them. The great thing about this is you don't need a product. You're selling other people's products, so you don't need a website. It doesn't take long. You can put a nice email together in just 10, 15 minutes, get everything set up and out, really no more than 30 minutes a day. And there's all kinds of great free traffic that you can use to make this work as well. So it works awesome. Make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to go over kind of the harder way to do things first, but then we'll talk about the easy way. And again, you don't need a website. With the easy way, you don't need anything. You don't need a website, a product. You don't need an email responder. You just don't need anything. So hang on to the end to see that. Please, if you would, subscribe to my channel. I try to put out some regular videos that I hope you find helpful. And if you wouldn't mind, give me a like on the video. Let's go ahead and get started. Thanks so much. Okay, so let's jump in and talk about how to make money through email marketing. It's really not as hard as it sounds. It's actually a great way to make some money, and money that can be made really anytime you want by just sending out an email and promoting an affiliate product. So again, a great place to find products is on ClickBank. So if you're not familiar with ClickBank, it's free to set up an account. And the nice thing is once you have your account, then you're basically automatically approved to promote almost anything in ClickBank. There are a few that need some approvals, but almost everything. And the nice thing is they have a wide variety from different niches. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, the self-help, make money online, work from home, finance or online trading, Forex, almost anything, they have something for you. So let's talk about how are you going to get started. Well, when you do email marketing, you need a couple things. You've got to be able to capture somebody's email, and usually you do that by giving them something for free in exchange for their email. That could be a report, it could be a video series, it could be a piece of software, it could be whatever you want. A lot of times you can find some high quality private label rights type of products that are worth giving away. You don't want to give away something cheap because then you look cheap, and then people aren't going to trust you when you're trying to promote things. So you definitely want something that is not going to be cheap. So I have a couple opt-in pages pulled up here that we can talk over. So what you're trying to do with the opt-in page, sometimes it's also called a landing page or a squeeze page, is you're trying to convey an enticing message so that people will give you their email in exchange for this free report. Now, most times you need what's called an email autoresponder to do this. Now, a warning, some email autoresponders are not friendly at all to affiliate marketers. And so if you're sending out emails through their service with affiliate links in the emails, they will shut your account down without any warning at all, and you're done. So I recommend, if you're going to be serious about doing this, to make sure you use some reputable ones. Here's a couple real quick. This is who I use, Aweber. They work awesome, easy to use, lots of features. I like them. I've also used in the past one called GetResponse. They also work very well. They have features, some very nice templates and things in there. So, for example, this is a super simple opt-in page that I made in Aweber. Now, you may think, wow, there's nothing flashy, there's no, moving video behind it or, picture of the beach. And you can do all that. And I'll show you another example here in a minute. But to be honest, this old school method works pretty good. You got your little headline to hook them in, a little teaser, and then, hey, just give us your email. Okay. Now, that is a simple, tried and true opt-in page that will work well and will convert well. Here's one I made through GetResponse for a client. Same information. Again, a little nicer image in the background, maybe a little more enticing, a smiling face, can build trust and maybe pull people in. But again, just real simple, email, get my report. Now, here's a little trick I'll share with you that I use. And in most email marketing courses, what they'll teach you is after someone gives you their email and clicks on get my free report, you want to offer them at least one or maybe two upsell offers, things that they could purchase or buy. And so when I set my email funnels up, after they opt in on the opt-in page, then I have it set up to go to a upsell offer. Now this one here isn't exactly necessarily an upsell offer. This is John Crestani's super affiliate system. That's a real great seller, a real big seller on ClickBank. And this actually is promoting free training, so here people would opt in to get his free training. And so even though they're not buying something from you, John Crestani has a really high converting webinar and email follow-up series that your affiliate link will be coded for. And so if they don't buy off his webinar right away, well, he'll keep emailing them and you'll have lots of chances. So they're essentially entering another funnel. They're entering John Crestani's funnel where you can make. So this is an option to give them some more free training. Now, I use a software called Commission Bar, and what that does, it allows me to place this bar down here over John Crestani's webpage. So after people opt in, they give me the email, they click get my free report, then they come right to this. And if they're like, I don't know, they can click on here, no thanks, this offer is not for me. And then what it's going to do is I usually put two upsells. Again, and this is not an upsell as far as someone spending money, but it's trying to get people to enter another sales funnel by choosing to get some training from Patrick Chan. And this is for CB Passive Income. Again, another long-time trustworthy product on ClickBank. And so again, if they're like, they might choose to do it or they might not. And if not, then they can click on this and it'll take them to their free report. Okay. Now, I'll leave some links down below for Commission Bar. The great thing about Commission Bar, you can change the color, you can change the wording, but it allows you to create a funnel even though you don't have products yourself. Okay, so far they went to the opt-in page, gave their email, we showed them a couple other offers that might get them into some other funnels that we can make money from, and then they get their report, and then we're going to start sending them emails. Okay, now you can do all this for the cost of the autoresponder, because the autoresponder can host your opt-in forms. So these opt-in forms are hosted on this one on GetResponse, this one on GetResponse, this one on Aweber. So you don't even need hosting for that. And then your free report, you can put that on, Google Docs, and share it from Google Docs or Dropbox or something along those lines. Okay, and then you send them follow-up emails, and you can have email set up in your autoresponder to go out in advance, and every time somebody buys something, you make money. So that's the one way to do it. I'll leave links down below for Aweber, for GetResponse, for Commission Bar if you want to take this approach. Now, another approach that works pretty well and is a done-for-you system is this one called My Super Funnel. I was just inside. This is inside my Super Funnel account, and as you can see, what you get is several things. You're going to get 3 landing pages. So before we were just looking at, here's a landing page, here's a landing page. But inside My Super Funnel, you're going to get 3 different landing pages that you can send traffic to. So the first one is for a free piece of software that you can give away. People love software, so this is a great one to give away. A second opt-in page is for a free drag-and-drop web page builder. And so this is a great one to give away. Again, people love software. People love things that can help them with their online business. And then the last one is for a free email autoresponder. So again, people are always trying to, save money, and so maybe they don't want to pay monthly for Aweber or GetResponse, and so they'd say, hey, let me use this instead. Now, what will happen is when people go in here, you enter your JVZoo ID number, and then you're going to get approved to promote all of these products for 100% commission. These products vary. I think this one starts at $19, $47, $37, but they go all the way up to $497, and you make 100% commission. And the great thing about my super funnel is, again, you don't need anything. They give you the 3 squeeze pages, they host them for you, they're made for you, they're all done for you. All these sales pages, are completely done for you. You don't need to do anything, and you make 100% commissions on them. And then any emails that you collect into my super funnel, you have the opportunity to go ahead and export those out under your resources section, and then you can choose to upload them into another email autoresponder like Aweber or GetResponse, so you can continue to market to those folks. So I'll put the link for my super funnel down below. It's just a one-time cost, but then everything's done for you. And like it says, you don't need hosting, you don't need a product, you don't need an autoresponder, and you make 100% commission because it will automatically follow up for you. So I hope that helps. If you have questions, leave comments below. Please leave a thumbs up if you would. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell so you can be notified when I put up some new videos. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day.